Hi, it's Jeff with MagDaddy. Today I'm going to show you some of the highlights and some of the features on our new product line called Dakota Systems. Product of the week this week is going to be the Dakota Smart Nut. So the first thing about the Smart Nut is that this is your threaded rod that will hold up your trapeze. So when your trapeze is up, all this is going to do is snaps over your threaded rod and then it will turn. Once it's snapped over your threaded rod, you're going to take it to the strut, okay? And you'll see how this is slotted in there, right? So that's going to drop in, and then you're just going to take this, and with a quarter turn, you're going to lock it in. And that's locked in. So once you have this in and you need to make an adjustment, just undo it, and that'll turn, okay? And again, you'll just put it back in, right over, and a quarter turn lock. Dakota Smart Nut comes in several sizes. You've got a 3/8 inch thread here, and you got a 1/4 thread here. They also come in 12 gauge and 14 gauge, and they are for a 9/16 slot. So the Smart Nut, you'll see it on your distributor shelves. It's in these jars and it comes in quantities of 50. So there you have it. Product of the week is the Dakota Systems Smart Nut by MagDaddy.